Hey everyone, welcome to Custom Made Everything. I'm Tim, and on this episode, we're going to continue working on our custom 3D printed figure of Jordan Binnington. Now in the first episode, you'll recall we took care of the prep work of sanding and priming. We also got a good base layer of white paint onto all the parts. And in the second episode, we hopped onto the computer where I designed the graphics that will be used on the face of Jordan Binnington's pads. On this episode, I'm excited to get back to my paint desk because we're going to put some color onto this figure while working on the detail of the equipment. So let's not stand here any longer, let's get over there and get started. Now before I can put any color onto this figure, I've got to make sure that I'm putting the color in the right spots. So we'll hop on the internet, we'll do a quick Google search, and we'll find some reference photos for Jordan Binnington's catcher. Here's my results. The first picture I came up with is a nice front picture of his catcher. The next is from the goal cam when he made the save. It shows the backside. And our last reference is an opposite angle of the catcher, helping me see the cheater side. Well, now that we've got our reference photos, it's time to paint. Well, I would say this is a great stopping point for the front of the catcher. Now, I'm not saying it's finished. In fact, I like to walk away and come back with fresh eyes and see if there's areas that I can improve on with all of my painting. But what I am saying is it's time to flip this catcher over and paint the backside of it. Well, that's going to do it for this episode. We've got this catcher about 90% finished. We still have to do the final paint touch-ups and add the decals. And on the next episode, we're moving on to the blocker, where we're going to create the graphics for the front of it and put some blue paint on it. We're also going to size up the decals that we made for the goalie pads and hopefully get those put on. You're not going to want to miss that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up for this video, and as always, thanks for watching.